Lenovo Digital Download Recovery Service allows you to create a Lenovo Recovery USB key. Using the Recovery USB key will restore your system to its factory defaults. To begin, open this website, support.lenovo.com/Lenovo Recovery. Enter your system's serial number or use the tool to automatically detect your serial number. Now, sign in using your Lenovo ID email account. If you do not have a Lenovo ID, sign up following the instructions. Once signed in, you can check if your system is eligible and complete the order. Select your country or region and the OS language. Click the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. Fill in the form. Click on I'm not a robot and perform the required check. Once you are verified successfully, click Submit. The order is now complete and you are provided with a link to download the Lenovo USB Recovery Creator tool. You are only allowed to submit one order per serial number. You will also receive an email with all the instructions. To download your recovery files and create a recovery USB key, you will need to run the Lenovo USB Recovery Creator tool. You have 72 hours to start downloading the recovery image with the Creator tool, otherwise your order will expire. If you do not download the recovery image within the time limit, you will need to submit a new order. Before running the Lenovo USB Recovery Creator tool, make sure your PC has Windows 10 or newer and at least 20 GB of free space. You will also need a fast internet connection, as recovery files are usually 10 GB in size or larger. Prepare a 32 GB or larger USB key and format it to NTFS or FAT32. You can format the drive by right-clicking on it in the Windows Explorer and selecting Format. All the data on the USB key will be erased during the formatting process. Run the Lenovo USB Recovery Creator tool and select Start. Sign in using your Lenovo ID and password. Use the same Lenovo ID that you used to submit the order. In the Select tab, select your order and click Confirm. Select the download location, then click Download. You can pause or cancel the download. If the download process is interrupted because it was paused, the internet connection was lost, or for any other reason, you can still resume the download without having to restart. To resume the download process, log in with the same Lenovo ID and select the same order. It is extremely important to select the same download location that was used before. The Lenovo Digital Download tool will check the files previously downloaded and continue where you left off. If you get missing files, files validation issues, or connection issues, you can try this. Exit the USB Recovery tool, check the Task Manager to make sure it is not running in the background, then download a new copy of the tool. Next, disable your firewall and antivirus software, as they may prevent the tool from connecting to our server. Restart the tool and check if it is back to normal. When the download is complete, connect your USB key to your computer and then click Next. Select the USB key from the drop-down list, then click Next. Click Yes to start creating the recovery USB key. When the process is complete, you will see the message, USB key created successfully. If you want to delete the recovery files, click Yes. If you want to keep them, click No, Exit. Keeping the recovery files will allow you to create another USB recovery key without having to download the files again. If you want to create a new USB recovery key using the recovery files you already have, run the tool and click on Create Recovery USB Key. Select the recovery files and follow the steps. To learn more about your Lenovo device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.